Leuven is our featured city today. This charming city, located in the heart of Belgium, is packed with so many places to visit that a 5-minute vlog might not be sufficient. So, today, we'll take a quick tour and explore some of the key highlights that make Leuven a special place to visit. Let's start our journey at the City Hall, a stunning Gothic-style building situated in the Oude Markt. This historic landmark showcases the city's rich past and is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. When I first visited this place, I was absolutely amazed, so don't miss its impressive architecture with intricate details and a towering presence that reflects Leuven's medieval roots. Moving along the picturesque cobblestone streets, we come across the tranquil Beguinage, offering a glimpse into Leuven's history. It's a preserved site recognized by UNESCO, a peaceful atmosphere showcasing the Beguin's way of life. Leuven is also home to a renowned university, the KU Leuven, which dates back to 1425. It's one of the oldest universities in the world. The university's library is a treasure trove of knowledge, housing ancient manuscripts and rare books. Beyond its historical sites, Leuven offers a vibrant cultural scene. Throughout the year, Leuven hosts a variety of festivals and events that showcase its lively spirit. The cultural calendar is filled with music, theater performances, and dance events, ensuring there's entertainment for everyone. Did you know that Leuven is just a stone's throw away from Brussels, the capital city? It's definitely worth a visit. This city has this amazing mix of history and modernity going on. So, when you're there, make sure to wander around and discover all the hidden nooks and crannies. You'll stumble upon some incredible stores and restaurants. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on that.